Today, I'm taking you on a unique journey between Russia's two giants, from St. Petersburg to Moscow by train. I'm leaving St. Petersburg with a mix of excitement and nostalgia. This imperial, elegant, almost European city has deeply touched me. Its architecture, canals, and sunsets, it all feels like a movie set. I head to Moskovsky Station, right in the center. The train I'm taking is called Sapsan, the Russian bullet train, modern, fast, and comfortable. Russia is vast. When I arrive in Moscow, Leningradsky Station impresses me with its size. From the very first moment, you feel the scale of this megacity. Everything is massive, the avenues, the buildings, the pace. What strikes me first is a constant sense of tension. Police patrols pass every 30 seconds, and there are also armed soldiers walking around the city. It feels highly controlled and a bit tense. My GPS keeps failing, especially downtown. Locals told me it's because of interference systems designed to protect the city from enemy drones. Another thing that stands out is the number of women alone everywhere. In the metro, cafes, and streets. Moscow feels very feminine. Many young women move around confidently, without fear. I take the metro to the city center, and wow! Each station is like a museum. Mosaics, statues, marble columns. I've never seen a metro this beautiful. There are more than 250 stations. The only difficulty is the Cyrillic alphabet. Everything is written in Russian, often without translation. Reading a station name or a menu can be a real challenge, but that's part of the adventure. Moscow feels colder than St. Petersburg in every sense, but it has a unique power and energy. Everything moves fast here. You can tell it's the economic, political, and cultural heart of the country. Muscovites have style. Women especially. Elegant clothes, flawless makeup, long coats, but never overdone. Always tasteful. As for safety, there's nothing to worry about. Cameras are everywhere. Police are visible, and I never felt unsafe, not even at night. I visited the Kremlin, Red Square, St. Basil's Cathedral, and also less touristy spots like Zaryadai Park with its floating bridge, and the Kitay-Gorod district full of hidden bars and cozy restaurants. The food is excellent. Russian, Georgian, Uzbek, and many stylish cafes as well. Moscow leaves a strong impression. It's tougher, more intense than St. Petersburg, but also more modern and ambitious. If St. Petersburg is a poem, Moscow is a novel. To truly understand Russia, you need to experience both. I bought my ticket online through Este. Super easy. Highly recommended. On board, there's free Wi-Fi, phone chargers, a snack car, and above all, peaceful silence. Russians are very calm on public transport. No shouting, no loud talking. It's refreshing. The train goes over 200 kilometers per hour and takes about 4 hours to cover the 700 kilometers between the two cities. Thanks for traveling with me. Subscribe to see the next episode. And give a like if you enjoyed this journey through Russia's two capitals.